Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to get Kraken koi fish. Start by preparing a large habitat with clean water and stable temperature. Focus on targeted feeding times and high-protein meals to raise attraction odds. Use decorations and shelter to increase comfort and reduce stress. Track spawn cycles and prioritize raids that mention rare event fish. Be patient and persistent, and vary diet if results stall. Prepare your pond by prioritizing volume, filtration, and gentle circulation for stable conditions. Use heaters or coolers to keep temperature within the spawn window and avoid sudden swings. Add rocks, plants, and floating cover to create shelter and reduce stress for koi. Monitor ammonia and nitrate levels daily and perform partial water changes when needed. Clean equipment regularly to prevent disease and maintain a healthy environment. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp scent that keeps your ride fresh during long fishing trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and treat yourself to a small comfort while you grind for the Kraken koi. Now let's get back to the video. Focus feedings on high-protein foods and rare bait items exactly during spawn windows to maximize attraction. Rotate diets to keep fish responsive and introduce occasional treats as boosters. Apply any available breeding boosts or event items that raise rarity or hatch chances. Keep stress low by avoiding sudden tank changes and limiting handling. Record each attempt, noting time, diet, and environmental settings to refine your approach.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.